Welcome, my ever faithful internet audience. This is Devang Pujit Roy from BAE 360, here to give you a gist about what's going on around you. So let's get into it. Russia to roll out first vaccine for coronavirus. Russia has granted approval to the coronavirus in only 2 months of human testing. Way towards mass inoculation is paved even as the final clinical tests continue. The speed at which the vaccine was developed shows that Russia had high determination to win the global race for an effective product. In one of the interviews recently, Putin said that it was formulated by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute and also one of his daughters have been administered with its dose. Putin said that it works quite efficiently, forms strong immunity, and most importantly, passed all the clinical checks. The medical workers in Russia working with the corona-infected patients would be given the first chance at volunteering to be vaccinated soon after the approval, sources said. As we can see, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and this progress of Russia shows that this is not a race that we cannot win. Over 100 vaccines are being developed around the world, and 4 of them are in their final stages of testing. Soon we might be able to tackle the COVID-19 once and for all.
Но все-таки мы достаточно ритмично, так скажем, да, работаем и выходим из этой ситуации с коронавирусом уверенно, с минимальными потерями. Дай бог, чтобы так и было. А в Штатах так не происходит. Мне кажется, что эта проблема заключается в том, что групповые партийные интересы в данном случае ставятся выше интересов всего общества и интересов народа.
20-year-old student dead after allegedly being harassed. A student from Uttar Pradesh, Sudiksha Bhati, who scored the highest in her CBSE examination and earned a scholarship to a university in the United States, was killed in a road accident on Monday. She had returned to India due to the corona pandemic and was scheduled to go back in August. But the story is not that simple. The family of the victim alleged that she met with an accident because 2 men who harassed her later crashed their motorcycle in theirs, the one on which her uncle and she were riding on. The uncle said that the 2 men on the other bike were passing negative comments towards them and the driver was driving recklessly and overtook them multiple times. The district magistrates say that there is no evidence of harassment and also tells that the uncle was not present at the accident site, contradicting the claims by the family that all 3, the uncle, the cousin and the girl herself, were present. Due to lack of evidence, nothing can be concluded as to what led to the accident. But the Bulandshahr police is talking to the eyewitnesses and the probe is underway. Sanjay Dutt diagnosed with cancer. According to recent sources, Mr. Dutt has been seen going to the hospitals very frequently these past few days. On Tuesday, 11th August, he posted on social media that he might be taking a break from work for some medical treatment. On Saturday, he was admitted to Mumbai's Lilavati hospital for having breathing problems, and thankfully, he tested negative for COVID-19. A film analyst confirmed the news after Sanjay Dutt's tweet that he has been diagnosed with lung cancer and is flying to US for treatment. We hope and pray he fights his way through it because we have lost many big personalities this year and can't afford to lose one more gem of India. So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow with some more crispy updates. Keep following our Facebook page, BAE, blog anything and everything, where we post new contents every day and welcome all the hidden talents out there. The link is in the description. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.